Hi, I'm Jim Miller with Engage Technologies, the Squid Ink division. Today we're highlighting our SQ-UVT laser. This is a UV laser that will replace TTO type of equipment mostly on food packaging, bags, chips, things like that. So the laser unit itself is this section right here. The controller's up on top, and today we're just doing a static mark, but we run a sample for you here. So we're going to take a piece of film, which would be similar to food packaging, place that in the marking area, close that up, and now we'll hit mark, and that's finished. And there's the final mark. So the advantages with this to replace a TTO is you're going to eliminate your cost for your ribbon and for the printhead replacements that are needed on TTO type of equipment. So the cost to operate this is extremely low, very, very low maintenance. You're not having to change ribbons and shut down your production for a brief time to put a new ribbon onto your TTO machine. Just turn the key on, wait for it to warm up, which is about 2 minutes, and it's ready to go.